Previously on Porch Light
It's
Garden.
crazy. They didn't outgrown the plants. I mean, the peppers. Look at all these peppers. I ain't fooling with these right now, but I'll get those when they start turning red. Look at all that. Look at all them peppers right there. Look at that. Crazy, right? We just gotta let y'all know what's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? Let me get y'all a better picture. Yeah. Nighttime cooking. You see that stain? You see them coals? Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's just the front. Oh. Yeah. We cooking, y'all. Let's show you the back. Oh my God, that's fat right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's luxurious. Yeah, come on now. You got a nighttime grill, baby. Dog's about to go on. Sam about to go on. You know what time it is. I mean, what we doing out in these streets? What are we doing out here in these streets? Like, what's going on? I mean, yeah, this is what's going on. This is what's going on, though. Hit me up for the recipe, y'all.